Hi everyone, today we're making seasoned green mangoes. Today we're gonna be picking the mangoes from my tree. The mangoes are not ripe yet, so they're a little bit sour, but it's perfect with some seasoned spices. If you like my video, please go subscribe my channel for more videos and share with your friends and family. If you have a Facebook account, please follow my page RNN. The mangoes look really delicious. Let's begin. First, peel the skin off of the mango. Make it just as you can see. Now gather your chili powder and some salt and 2 red burnt chili and also a little bit of mustard oil. Peel the mango and keep it into thin slices. After that, we need to crush and mash up the red burnt chili peppers. You can use your hand, or if you have a musher, mush it. Here's our sliced mango. Add in the chili peppers. Some salt. More powder pepper. And about a teaspoon of mustard oil. Mix thoroughly. It's almost ready. All done. Now you can eat this as a finger food. It's delicious, it's sour, it's tangy. Please try to make it if you have some unripe mangoes. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.